Daily, what are you doing in there? Daily, what are you doing? Daily, where'd you get that dress? Daily, why are you biting the head off my hippo? Well, I guess you're just... Okay, bye. Okay, really? Will you stop? Okay, what are you doing? Daily Rose. We need to get you exorcismed.
The power of Christ compels me.
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ. I don't... Elmo! The power of Christ compels you. Okay, Daily Rose, we're gonna go get you exorcismed. Get up, Daily Rose. Oh my! Daily Rose, what are you doing? Oops, I accidentally killed Daily Rose. Whatever.